In a world filled with constant distractions, maintaining focus can be a challenge. But fear not, for we have powerful tips to help you unleash your concentration and achieve greater productivity. Tip number 1. Create a distraction-free environment. Find a quiet space where you can work or study without interruptions. Remove clutter, turn off notifications on your phone, and minimize external distractions to optimize your focus. Tip number 2. Set clear goals and prioritize tasks. Start by defining specific objectives for each study or work session. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps and prioritize them based on importance and deadline. This helps maintain focus and guides your efforts towards the most critical aspects. Tip number 3. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and be fully present in the moment. Mindfulness exercises calm the mind, improve concentration, and help you stay centered amidst distraction. Tip number 4. Take regular breaks. Studies have shown that short breaks can actually enhance focus and productivity. Set a specific time duration, such as 25 minutes, to focus on a task with complete concentration. After completing each session, take a short break. By implementing these 4 tips, you can unlock the power of focus and achieve greater success. Remember, with dedication and consistency, you can unleash your focus, increase productivity, and accomplish more than you ever thought possible.